Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Mercedes-Benz EQ charging status with Me Connect easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Me Connect app on your device. Log in using your Mercedes-Benz account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the option labeled Charging Status. Tap on it to access your vehicle's charging info. If your vehicle is not showing the correct charging status, select the Refresh button. Wait a moment as the app retrieves the latest data from your vehicle. If the problem persists, check your vehicle's connectivity settings. Ensure that your Mercedes-Benz is connected to a reliable data network. If the connection seems weak, consider moving the vehicle closer to a Wi-Fi source. After confirming the connectivity, go back to the charging status section. If necessary, perform a software update on your Me Connect app. You can find this option in the settings menu of the app. Once updated, repeat the process to check the charging status again. If the status is still incorrect, restart the app. Close the app completely and reopen it to refresh the session. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, consult your vehicle's user manual for additional troubleshooting. You may also contact Mercedes-Benz customer support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.